Hello everyone, continuing again with chapter 2 of sociology, subject sociology, class 11. So, continuing with chapter 2, that is your terms, concepts and their use in the sociology. We are at the topic we are going to discuss today, that is types of groups. So, we'll do this now, types of groups. In your books it has been given that as you read through this section on the groups, you will find and that different sociologists and the social anthropologists, they have categorized groups into the different types. Means this sociologist and your social anthropologist, they have categorized the groups, that is also into the different types. Next, what you will be struck with, however, is that there is a pattern in the typology, and in most cases, they may contrast the manners in which people form groups in traditional and small-scale societies, and to that of the modern and the large-scale societies. So, as mentioned earlier, they were struck by the differences between close, intimate, face-to-face interaction in traditional societies and impersonal, detached, distance interactions. And this distance interactions also in the societies. And however, a complete contrast is probably not a accurate description of reality. So we can say that in types of group it has been given that means in this type of the groups it has been given that the people are from the various people, they are from the various group that is from traditional, from small scale societies, from the modern and the large scale societies. And also they were struck by the differences, that is also between the close, intimate, and the face to face interactions in that is also in the traditional societies, and impersonal, detached, distant interactions, that is also in the modern societies. So this is all about the description of the types of societies. Next we will do the primary and the primary and the secondary social groups. Next topic is primary and secondary social groups. So, starting with the primary and the secondary social groups, earlier we did the types of the groups, and in this it has been given in your books that the groups to which we belong are not all of the equal importance to us. Means the group to which we belong, it is not equally important to us. Some groups tend to influence many aspects of our lives and bring us into the personal associations with the other. Means some group, they provide us the aspects of our lives, and also it brings us into the personal associations, that is also with the others. And the term primary group, that is used to refer to as a small group of the people that is connected by the intimate and the face-to-face associations and the cooperation. Means we can say that primary group is what? We can say that the primary group is used to refer to it is referred to as the small group. Consists of what? Small group of people that is connected by intimate and face-to-face association, or you can say cooperation. Means connected by face-to-face association, cooperation, These are your primary groups. All these are your primary groups. Then, so we can say that the primary group is the small group that is connected with the face-to-face associations, corporations, and also one thing I'm going to tell you that the members of the primary group, they have the sense of belongings. Family, village, and the group, all these come under the primary groups. All come under the primary groups of the friends. Primary group examples of the primary groups, that is your family, your friends, your means your family, your group of the friends, and your village, etc. Then secondary group are relatively large in size. So primary, as primary, this is the small group connected with the face-to-face interactions, your friends, because your friends, they have the face-to-face interactions, isn't it? Then your village people or people surrounds you. Then is your secondary. Primary is the small group, whereas secondary group is large one. Means the secondary group is large in size. First point is that it is large in size and maintain the formal and the impersonal relationship. Second thing it do is that it maintains the formal and the impersonal relationship. Formal and impersonal relationship. So the primary groups are the personal oriented, whereas secondary groups are the goal oriented. So we can say that primary groups, if you the question is of their differences between the primary and the secondary, then it is a very good line you can add that the primary groups, these are the person oriented. Person oriented. And your secondary groups, these are your goal oriented. Remember this thing. Then school, government offices, hospital, student association, etc. are the examples of the secondary group. Examples of the primary group is your friends, your village people, friends, all this come under the primary group. Means your friends, family people, then village people, these are primary, and examples of the secondary are that your government offices, hospital, students associations, schools, etc. All these are relating to the secondary groups. So this is all about primary groups and the secondary groups. Next we will do community and society or the association. Next topic is community and society or association. So our next topic which we're going to discuss is the community and the society or your association. Earlier we did about the primary and the secondary groups. in detail discussion of primary and secondary I have given to you. So this one we will do in the next. Till now, that's it.